So in the act of testing my directory library for C64 OS, I've written a program that basically makes it usable from the ready prompt. I also wrote, I added to it the ability to override the JiffyDOS function keys. So here are sort of some standard function keys. And F1 is typically a directory. So you can peg F1, you get your directory. So what I've done is I've added in here the file size, the file type as a letter code, the blocks free at the bottom, and by default everything is sorted alphabetically. So I mean it's actually pretty useful, and I'm wondering whether I'm wondering if there's any interest in just having this released as a standalone piece. There we go. I mean, I find it super useful. You can hold control to stop the flow, and you can also hit run stop to stop the output. Yeah, anyway, I'm thinking about releasing it. See if anybody cares.